You can now literally use your winning ad and turn it into different character, product, or environment variations. While most brands spend thousands on ad shoots to then realize the creative can just be used for one campaign. So here's what I found after testing dozens of AI video ad workflows. You don't need to reshoot anything. You need one strong base video and a system that lets you multiply it across different characters, different audiences, different angles, while keeping the exact same performance that already converts. I've been running this workflow for the past 3 months across multiple campaigns. The results are consistent. One base video becomes 10 variations, same speech, same gestures, same timing, only the character, product, or environment changes. And this isn't about making AI videos for the sake of it. This is about scaling what already works without burning budget on reshoots or waiting weeks for new creative. The biggest mistake I see is people treating every ad like it's a brand new project. They rewrite the script, rehire creators, re-edit everything, and that's why most campaigns die before they scale. I'll first show you the full step-by-step process and then how to recreate winning viral ads for your own product. So I'm walking you through the exact workflow I use inside ARKits with Kling 2.6 motion control. This handles both scenarios, such as scaling your own winning content and adapting viral formats from the market with your own product. Now, if you want to follow along, everything I'm using is linked in the description. First, you need a base video, and this can be a real video you recorded with your product, a UGC style video you created earlier, or something that already performed well on social media. The key idea is simple. We're not changing the motion, we're only changing the visuals. So what makes a good base video? Clear face visibility, natural lip movement, simple hand gestures, stable framing, clean lighting, and the product needs to be visible at all times. Most people underestimate this part. The quality of your base video directly determines the final result. If the base footage has fast head turns or the face is covered by hands, the motion transfer breaks down. Now take a screenshot from the base video. You want a clean frame where the character is clearly visible, the product is fully visible, and the background is clean and undistorted. This frame becomes your visual reference. It's what the AI uses to understand the structure of the scene before we swap the character. So open ARKits, click New Project, and then select Image. At this stage, we're preparing the character replacement image, not the video yet. Inside the image section, you'll upload 2 reference images. Reference image 1, the screenshot you just took from the base video. Reference image 2, a reference image of the new character. In this case, I'm using a powerful, recognizable fitness figure suitable for protein powder advertising. Now this second image defines the new character's facial structure, expression style, and overall presence. The closer this matches the original framing and lighting, the cleaner the final result. Now we use Nano Banana Pro, and this is the most important parameter in the entire workflow. Paste a prompt like this, then click Generate. Here's why this matters. This prompt locks the environment, the product placement, and the camera angle. It prevents unwanted visual changes. Most people write vague prompts and wonder why the output drifts. Precision here gives you control. Once the image is generated, check background consistency, check product alignment, and if it looks clean, download the image using Download HD. This image now serves as the character identity for the video. Now we move to Kling 2.6 motion control. So inside ARKits, click See More, then select Kling 2.6. Then upload a character image, the newly generated image you just downloaded. Click Generate. Now Kling 2.6 motion control transfers the exact same speech, preserves lip sync, copies hand gestures, keeps timing and rhythm, and applies everything to the new character. The result is a video where the background is identical, the product remains unchanged, the performance is the same, only the character is different. And this is the simplest way I found to scale winning ads without reshooting. Why this workflow is powerful for advertising? If a video already works, you don't remake it, you multiply it. Different characters let you target different audiences, refresh creatives without reshooting, and extend campaign lifespan. You can test different personas, different authority figures, different emotional responses, all while keeping the message identical. This keeps it incredibly efficient. Now, Kling 2.6 motion control works so well for ads because the movement feels natural and human, lip sync stays accurate, gestures remain believable, the ad keeps its authenticity, and this is critical for UGC style conversion ads. So for base videos, avoid fast head turns, avoid covering the face with hands, keep gestures slow and natural, maintain consistent lighting. For character images, similar camera angle to the base video, similar lighting direction, similar framing and head size. And what to avoid: fast cuts, heavy motion blur, extreme facial expressions, over-stylized base footage. These tend to break the motion transfer. Now let me show you how to recreate a winning viral ad for your own product. And the goal here is slightly different. Instead of using our own base video, we find a winning viral video on social media and recreate the same performance and structure, but with our own product, our own character, and a new environment. This allows us to borrow proven performance, not guess what works. So first, identify a high-performing video on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This video should have strong engagement, clear talking to camera structure, natural UGC style delivery, and simple, repeatable motion. Once you find it, download the video to your device. This becomes your motion reference. Now in this workflow, we keep the motion, speech, timing, and gestures. We change the product, the character, and the environment. So the structure stays the same, but the branding becomes yours. Now we need a new character holding our own product. In this case, the product is a hand cream. So open Arcades, click new project, select image, then upload the product image. At this stage, we're creating a UGC style character image that will later drive the motion. So I'm using Nano Banana Pro and paste a prompt like this. Then click generate. Once generated, check that the product is clearly visible. Make sure the hand placement looks natural. Ensure lighting and framing feel realistic. Then click download HD, and this image now represents your product, your character, and your new environment. So let's move to Kling 2.6 motion control. So inside Arcades, click see more, then select Kling 2.6 motion control. Now we connect the proven viral motion with our own branding. Now upload the viral video you downloaded and use it as your reference. Then upload a character image. Now Kling 2.6 motion control copies the exact same speech, preserves lip sync, transfers hand gestures, keeps timing and rhythm, and applies all motion to your new character. The final result, same delivery, same structure, same performance. Different product, different character, different environment. So instead of guessing what hook works, what pacing converts, what delivery performs, you directly reuse a format that already won. You don't write new scripts, you don't test unknown concepts, you don't build from zero, you adapt what already works. And because the original video was already native to the platform and already felt organic, your version also feels native, not like an ad. Now Kling allows you to separate performance from identity, keep human emotion intact, and preserve trust and realism. And this is critical for UGC style ads, where authenticity matters more than polish. So we just went from one base video to multiple high performance ad variations, and from a viral video on social media to a fully branded ad with your own product, all inside one workflow. And this isn't about making cool AI videos. This is about replacing weeks of production with a process you control in minutes. I've tested over a dozen different AI video pipelines this year, and this one's the most consistent across lighting, motion, and lip sync accuracy. So once you've built this system once, you can generate 20 ad variations a day with consistent actors. You're saving so much money. Now, if you want to try this yourself, Arcades is linked below. Once you see your first clean render, you realize you don't need a studio or big team. You just need the right workflow. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.